Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic for discussion is soft skills are for professional success. Message. Response is one of the powerful weapons to occupy a place in others' heart. So always give response to the one who really cares you. Coming to the topic, soft skills help professionals to grow in the professional world. Soft skills have extra edge over hard skills. Soft skills are abilities that help a person to do things differently and in a better manner. Soft skills play a complementary role for an individual's hard skills. Soft skills include personality traits, social grace, communication skills, effectiveness, conscientiousness, interpersonal skills, problem solving expertise, team management, team development, team management, motivating others, stress management, conflict resolutions, building leadership qualities, decision making, personality development, positive attitude, etc. Conscientiousness means doing duty correctly. Requirements for soft skills: 1. Perceived mind. 2. Common sense. 3. Responsibility. 4. Communicative competence. 5. Integrity. 6. Sociability. 7. Empathy. Message. Take it easy is a concept for usual people, but make it easy is a concept for brilliant people. So, let us make everything easy. Coming to the topic, soft skills have powerful role because of globalization. Convert your dream into a reality. For this high level competence, soft skills required. Employers are seeking soft skills in candidates in addition to their standard qualifications that are hard skills. Soft skills are essentially people skills. Already we know this. They are non-technical, intangible, personality specific skills. Soft skills determine your strengths as a leader, listener, negotiator, and conflict mediator. Soft skills are more generic in nature. Generic means general. Soft skills are key to effective performance across all job categories. Androgynous manager embraces the best of both the traditionally masculine characteristics and the feminine characteristics. Androgynous manager means either male or female. Androgynous means either male or female. Soft skills now considered as life skills. Soft skills are sine qua non. I am giving the soft skills now. 1. Communication skills. Communication is a two-way street. 2. Interpersonal skills. Positive interpersonal skills increase productivity in the organization. 3. Team management. Managers must be team players and work in cooperation with their peers and subordinates. 4. Ethics. Employers seek employees who are ethical. 5. Creativity. Creative employees contribute extraordinary ideas to organization. So, some soft skills we have discussed here. Communication skills, interpersonal skills, team management, ethics, creativity. People with soft skills think outside the box, out of the box, and present new solutions to the old problems. Message. Ganesha means Ganesha. Ganesha. G. Goodness. A. Ability. No. N. Nobility. E. Elegance. S. Sweetness. H. Happiness. A. Accomplishment. That is Ganesha. Coming to the topic. 6. Value diversity. That is state of being diverse. Diversity means treating everyone as an individual with unique needs, tailoring rewards to each individual rather than using one size fits all rewards. Market segmentation is crucial in today's diverse marketplace. Diverse means various. Understanding various markets, organizations can be responsive to their diverse customers and their needs. 7. Willingness to change. Employees must be ready, willing and able to change. Employees can no longer blindly obey, but rather must question what they do. Message. Life is built of things we do. The only constructive material is positive action. Coming to the topic, conclusion. Soft skills are interdependent. All employees are responsible for their own career development today. Employees of the 21st century must be committed to the soft skills. Employees must be lifelong learners, constantly updating and revising skills to better meet the needs of the changing marketplace. Soft skills play a vital role for professional success. Good soft skills in the highly competitive corporate world will help you stand out in a melee of routine job seekers with mediocre skills and talent. Melee means social environment. Before closing the episode, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.